Hello everyone and welcome back to Haitian Creole lesson. This is the second lesson of the series that we're doing. If you haven't seen the first one, I suggest that you see it before this one. Again, my name is Stevenson Cherry. I'll try to go through this lesson. Pretty much what we're gonna cover are some pronouns, some two adjectives that I find to be very useful when you get to Haiti or if you're speaking Creole anywhere. Some verbs as well as some Haitian food, because Haitian food are delicious, so I had to include them in this lesson. Without saying much, let's go ahead and get started. So some pronouns that we're going to go over are here. I is moins. Again, moins. You is ou. You is ou. He or she in Creole, there's no distinction in Creole, is li. Again, li. We or us is nous. Again, nous. They is yo. Again, yo. Two adjectives before we get into the verbs that I wanted to go over is hungry. Hungry is very important when you get to any place, right? Because if we're hungry, we want to be able to communicate that. So hungry is grand goût. Again, grand goût. The next one is thirsty. If we want water, we have to be able to communicate that as well, because water is essential for life. Thirsty is soif. Again, thirsty is soif. Now we're going to get into, before we get into the verbs, we're going to get into the different tense and how they are used in Creole. So in Creole, a lot of times what will happen is you'll see one of those words prior to the verb to signify what tense it is. So ap, again, ap is for present tense. Te is for past simple. Te ap, which is abbreviated with T space AP, which is pronounced tap, because two vowels cannot be next to each other. So tap is the correct pronunciation and correct spelling. Is past continuous. And then for future, we use pral in front of the verb. So we're going to get some practice. Don't worry. We're going to get some practice along the line as we go through the verbs. So the first verb is boire. So we went over thirst. Now we're talking about drink. So again, drink is boire. To eat is manger. Again, to eat is manger. Want is vle. Again, want is vle. Like is reme. Again, reme. And now we're going to get some practice. So if you want to say you're thirsty, so again, we're going to combine what we've learned so far. So moins, which is I. Soif, I am thirsty. Again, moins, soif, I am thirsty. Ou, grand goût, which means you're hungry. Again, ou, grand goût, which means you're hungry. Again, realize those two words, thirsty and hungry, are adjectives. So what we had talked about as far as the different tense does not apply to those words. Those words are adjective and not verb. So now we're going to get into drinking, which is a verb, and you're going to see the application of the different tense. Li, tap, boue. Okay, so he or she was drinking. Okay? Li tap boue. He or she was drinking. Okay? Mwen te vle. I wanted. Mwen te vle. I wanted. And again, realize the difference. In the previous one, we saw the contraction te ap. So the te and the ap. That's the difference. You had the was. And now you just have the te. Mwen te vle. Which means I wanted. Mwen te vle. I wanted. Okay? Now, ou ap manje. You eating. Ou ap manje. You eating. Li pral reme. He or she is going to like. Li pral reme. He or she is going to like. Okay, now we're gonna get into the food. Haitian food are delicious, so I had to include them. So rice is di-ri. Again, rice is di-ri. Sauce is sauce. Again, sauce is sauce. Bean sauce. Sauce pois. Again, bean sauce. Sauce pois. Fried plantain, one of my favorite. Banan peze. Again, fried plantain is banan peze. Fried pork is griot. Again, fried pork is griot. Chicken, poule. Chicken, poule. Turkey, koden. Turkey, koden. Now we're going to get some more practice adding everything that we've gone over so far in this lesson. I ate rice. Mwen te manje diri. I ate rice. Again, is mwen te manje diri. Okay? You are going to like fried pork. Ou pral reme griot. Again, you are going to like fried pork. Ou pral reme griot. Okay, he or she was eating chicken. Again, he or she was eating chicken. Li tap manje poule. Again, he or she was eating chicken. Li tap manje poule. Okay. Now, we like fried plantain. Nou reme banan peze. We like fried plantain. Nou reme banan peze. You want turkey? Is in Creole. Ou vle koden? Again, you want turkey? Ou vle koden? Okay. They drink bean sauce. Yo te boue sauce pois. Again, they drink bean sauce. Yo te Boué sauce pois. Again, don't forget to follow us on social media at Kore Haiti Inc. On all of the social media networks, so you can see what work we're doing in Haiti and how we're young Haitian professional in the US are going back to give back to our country. If you have any feedback, any questions or comments in regards to this lesson, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you.